Hi guys, it's been a while since we last talked about audio. Most of the recent videos you have saw are all about camera accessories. Today we're going to be talking about audio. Now most of the audio you hear on my channel is shot by this Rode VideoMicro. Make no mistake, this is a very capable microphone which runs on phantom power. Now what is phantom power? Phantom power means that it does not need any batteries for it to function, which really saves me one hassle to be able to replace the batteries once in a while when it's flat. Some of the YouTubers out there have been complaining that they forgot to charge their batteries or be able to replace their microphone batteries, which makes the microphone practically useless. But if you have been on YouTube for a while, chances are you will see other YouTubers use this microphone. This is the Rode VideoMicro, which is quite a bit smaller than my Rode VideoMicro. Now this microphone has been released about 5 years ago but is still commonly used, and I was wondering what is the difference between this and this, as they both run on phantom power but this is significantly smaller. So today we're going to be unboxing this Rode VideoMicro and see what comes with the original package, as well as comparing my Rode VideoMic Go to be able to see if this can be a perfect substitute. If not, let's get started. Now I really like that it comes in this very nice packaging, and here the first thing you probably see is this wind muff. Now this is a wind muff, also known as a dead cat, but don't worry, no animals were harmed in this video. It basically helps to filter out wind noises. So we put it here. And this is the Rode Lyre suspension, which basically helps to take away all the vibration noises once your microphone hits a certain object. Here is the cable that connects it to your camera itself. And here you have some basic quick start guides to be able to help you understand your microphone better. So basically this is how you are able to put it together, which isn't rocket science. And a simple warranty card. So this is what you basically get in the package itself. So let's put it together and do a simple indoor test first before we go out for all the other tests. Okay, let's put it in here. Here you have a cable. Let's take out my A7 II and plug it in. Alright, I have my camera over here, but before I forget, let's do a size comparison without it being mounted to be able to see the difference, because this is probably the reason why I got it in the first place. So here is my Rode VideoMic Go, and here's the Rode VideoMicro. Taking out the wind muff, you can see that putting side by side, these two is quite a little bit different. In fact, it's probably 50% smaller than my Rode VideoMic Go. Let's bring out my measuring tape. So how long is my Rode VideoMic Go? As you can see, it's probably about 6 inches or 15 cm. As for my Rode VideoMicro, it's about 3 inches or 8 cm. Let's plug the wind muff back in and have it mounted. So just in case you're curious, how do you plug it in? There's this little suspension over here which you have to just squeeze this whole thing in. And let's have it mounted. Now just to reiterate, what does this Rode Lyre do? Now as you can see, if I shake the camera, there's the vibration that's going towards this microphone. This suspension takes away this vibration, which sometimes creates unnecessary noise. Having this gives you very clean audio coming out from the microphone itself. Let's do some tests. Alright, this is the audio that's been recorded from my Rode VideoMic Go on my A7 II camera. And this is the Rode VideoMic Go that's been recorded on my A6400. Can you guys tell the difference? If not, don't worry, let's bring these two outdoor for a more serious test. Alright guys, so we are walking up a flight of stairs to test whether this Rode Lyre stabilization suspension mount works and if it reduces any rubbing of the microphone noises. So how does it sound? Either ways, we are making up to a flight of stairs over a highway, which is going to be really noisy and test the quality of the mics that we are testing today. So it's going to be a challenge, but this is one of the more extreme circumstances which you will be using the mic for, and you know, we just want to be sure. Alright, just in case you are curious, I'm recording this using my DJI Pocket 2, and you can hear that the mic is not that good, but this is a setup that we're working on today. And just like my Rode VideoMicro, I got to add on this wind muff just to make it fair for the comparisons. Hi guys, so we are set up here and I'm recording on both the mics right now. Okay, so what you're hearing now is actually the audio coming out from my Rode VideoMic Go from my A6400. And here is the audio coming out from Rode VideoMicro, which is on my A7 II. So how does it sound? Let me know down in the comments below if you can hear the background sound of all the cars that are riding past this highway over here. There's also quite a bit of wind, so you can see a little jiggle on the camera itself. I did not bring the most sturdy tripod, so it does waver quite a bit. Whoa. So if not, let's move on to our next location where we'll test it next to a waterfall and hear if the audio does vary quite a lot between these two mics. Hi guys, so we are at Jewel now and there's a waterfall behind me, so it's going to be quite interesting for this audio test. But I've changed the setup. If you can see, I'm shooting using my Ulanzi MT11 flexible tripod now instead of the Gizmo's tripod, which seems to be a little bit not so sturdy because of the thin legs. So let's test some audio now. Hi guys, so we're testing the audio on these two cameras. So here's the audio coming out from my A6400 with the Rode VideoMicro. And here's the audio coming out from my A7 II with the Rode VideoMicro. Can you guys tell the difference? So comparing to our first location, I'm sure it's not that noisy, but you can definitely hear the waterfall that's at the back. So let me know if the audio is clearer, is my vocals better, and if you can, is the background more distracting than the first video. If not, let's mask up before somebody catches me and let's head on back. Hi guys, so this is the last place that we're doing the audio test and probably the quietest. I know there are some construction noises right at the back, but there isn't any direct sound coming out from waterfalls or any car noises. So this is the audio that's coming out. If not, let's head on back and conclude what do I really think about this Rode VideoMicro and if it's a perfect replacement for the Rode VideoMicro. So after spending a few days recording audio on these two mics and analysing the clips, I'll be breaking it down into 4 key areas for all comparisons. Number 1, sound quality. I'm not gonna lie, both of them produce really good sound quality. They isolate vocals really well from all the background noises. It's probably due to the pickup patterns. Now what you see here is a variety of pickup patterns that are out there. The pickup pattern of the Rode VideoMicro leans towards the directional shotgun pickup, whereas the Rode VideoMicro leans towards the super cardioid pickup pattern. When we put their pickup patterns side by side, you can see that the Rode VideoMicro will be able to pick up and isolate vocals from the front and the back better within different frequencies. Which also explains why the Rode VideoMicro picks up a little bit more background noises than the Rode VideoMicro. This particular clip stands out the most for me as the waterfall noises was definitely much more audible with the Rode VideoMicro. So comparing to our first location, I'm sure it's not that noisy, but you can definitely hear the waterfall that's at the back. So let me know if the audio is clearer, is my vocals better, and if you can, is the background more distracting than the first video. Number 2, similarities. Now both of these has the Rode Lyre suspension mount, which reduces all the vibration noises created from your camera motion. They also run on phantom power, which basically means that you don't need any batteries for these two mics to function. They also have one common downside to them, which is the wire that comes with it. As you can see, there's been quite a bit of wear and tear on the wire itself. I even tried to use tape to cover the parts that are exposed. It is not cheap nor easy to find the original replacement for the wire that comes with both of these mics. Number 3, size difference. Now both of these has quite a bit of a size difference. This Rode VideoMicro comes in about 8 cm or 3.1 inches, whereas this Rode VideoMicro comes in about 15 cm or 5.9 inches, which basically comes to about 50% difference in size. If size and portability is an issue by now, I'm sure you'll be likely leaning more towards the Rode VideoMicro. Number 4, price. The Rode VideoMicro comes in about 96 USD, whereas the Rode VideoMicro comes in about 55 USD. There's a $40 gap between these two mics. Now what can $40 get you? To put things into perspective, this is my AR-M9 which costs about 49 USD. So if you're a content creator or somebody who just started on video, $40 can make a huge difference. And I forgot to mention that the Rode VideoMicro does not come with this wind muff. You have to pay additional about $30 for this wind muff. Whereas on the Rode VideoMicro, it comes with it, all packaged in the $55 price tag. Now just in case you do not know what a wind muff does, I've stumbled upon these very cute infographics which share with you what are the common uses and types of wind muffs or dead cat that is out there. Let's conclude. While I know there's a price and size difference between these two, both of them has its place. The Rode VideoMicro records slightly better vocals. If you are an audiophile, you'll definitely notice this difference. I'll likely stick to the Rode VideoMicro due to its ability to capture sharper and crispier audio. But if I'm out and about, the Rode VideoMicro is really a good companion as it's really discreet and produces very good quality for the size that it has. Needless to say, I'm quite clumsy and these were less likely hit into walls and objects comparing the Rode VideoMicro. Just to bring everything full circle, can this Rode VideoMicro replace the Rode VideoMicro? I would say yes, for most areas. Unless you're audiophile, you won't be able to tell that much of a difference between these two mics. But for me personally, since I'm owning these two, I'll be using this definitely for more the indoor stuff, for vlogging, and if I'm out and about, I'll be using the Rode VideoMicro. Wow, this video has been more comprehensive than I expected to make. If you guys have enjoyed and gotten value out of this video, please reward me with a thumbs up and subscribe down below. These two simple actions will help to be able to support and grow this channel. If you guys want more audio videos, I've created a new playlist over here which covers some of the audio accessories and mics that I've covered. And if you guys want to be updated of my next upload, do remember to click the bell notification over here. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.